Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I brought a new topic, which is, art journal. Most of the people may know about art journal, but I am telling briefly about it. For those who don't know about this, art journaling is a visual diary. It's a place to record your thoughts, memories, and emotions through images, art and words. And most importantly, there are no rules of making it, it means, anyone can make it. Furthermore, it is a creative therapy which is used to reduce stress, encourage creativity to solve problems. In this video, I'll show an easy mixed media art journal that anyone can make. So, let's get started! You need to choose a diary which is available near you. Then attach a newspaper to one of the pages of diary. I use newspaper, as it gives vintage look. If you want, you can skip this step. Step 2. I am making an art journal on my one-day activities. I visited aquarium on last Sunday, it's art journal of that. So, I am drawing jellyfish on the newspaper. Use Prussian blue acrylic color to paint the sea. Do not use water as newspaper is thin, using water may ruin your artwork. Even though I didn't use water, it's still looking puffy, so let it dry. After this, I am using white acrylic color to paint cute little jellyfishes. This is the final look. Now, proceed to the important step. Step 3, for describing the activities, I am cutting relevant pictures from newspaper. I am collecting as much as possible, and will use some of them. I have collected the pictures of meals, nature, city, girl wearing mask, etc. Now on the piece of a paper, write the day when you visited the aquarium. I am trying to do calligraphy here. Step 4, after accumulating the newspaper cutouts, we have to paste them accordingly. Firstly I pasted the calligraphy, then pasted the cutout of cute little butterfly on it. I am using colorful cello tapes, to make it more beautiful. Then I have attached the cutouts according to my choice. Remember, there are no rules in making art journal, so you can improvise it like you want. Step 5, after attaching all cutouts. I am drawing a fish with bubbles. You can draw more stuff or can skip it, it is completely up to you. I have also colored it with color pencils. And this is the final look. If you liked this video, make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching till the end.